guys, and welcome to this video on setting up a photography exhibition. In this video, I'm going to be talking you through the steps you need to take to put up a successful photography exhibition. And I'm going to be using the Douglas Photographic Society's current exhibition as an example. I run the Douglas Photographic Society, and therefore I am heavily involved in every single stage of setting up this exhibition. The first step you need to take is to collect a series of images which are going to be on display. This process can take several months, and it's important to have a cohesive theme for the exhibition. In our case, we have different categories, including local scenes, water scenes, and animals, in which our club members can enter up to 3 photos. It is also important to create a database for the exhibition so that you have a record of what photos you have on display, who took those photos, how much they're selling for, and whether or not they have sold. At the Douglas Photographic Society, we ask all our members to fill in an entry form and list all of the photos that they will be entering into the exhibition. One of our members then enters all of the information from these entry forms into an Excel spreadsheet to create our database. Once you have your selection of images, the next step is to print them. Depending on the size of your exhibition, you may need to print a lot of images. Therefore, it's important to have a good quality printer that can produce consistent results. In our case, we ask our members to print their own images to a specific set size, and we recommend local printers to them, which we know are good quality and will give us all the same results. Having this set size helps to keep our images cohesive throughout the exhibition. Once your images are printed, the next step is to mat and frame them. This can be a time-consuming process, but it's important that you do it properly to ensure that the images look their best. The Douglas Photographic Society has their own frames and mats, which we use every year for this annual exhibition. And that helps us to, again, keep that cohesive look throughout the photos. We run a matting and framing workshop the weekend before the exhibition, where members bring their prints to this workshop, and we set up a production line with some members matting the images and others putting them in frames. This ensures that we get everything done in a timely manner and to the same standards. The next step is to hang your images. This can be a tricky process, as you need to ensure that all your images are hung at the correct height and spacing. It will depend on your exhibition space as to how and where you hang your images. Our exhibition is taking place in the Port Douglas Community Centre, which is a large hall with a gallery hanging system. We start the day by laying all of our photos out on the floor of the hall in their categories, and then we work out where we are going to hang each category. The hanging system in this hall consists of hooks and wires which hang from a rail near the top of the wall. We put a hook through the wire on the back of the photo and then use a spirit level to balance the photo. Once your exhibition is set up, you need people to come and visit it. You can use a variety of marketing methods both before and during your exhibition, such as flyers, posters, and press releases. In our case, we've been using a combination of social media, printed posters, and signs placed around town. Finally, it's time to open your exhibition. This is a great opportunity to invite friends, family, and members of the public to come and see your photos. I recommend holding an opening evening where you can serve drinks, snacks, and have the opportunity to talk to your guests about your photos. For our club, this opening evening is a great opportunity to celebrate and relax after all of the hard work needed to get the photos up on display. And that's it. I hope that you have enjoyed this video on how to set up a photography exhibition. Remember, it takes time and effort to put on a successful photography exhibition. But with careful planning and attention to detail, you can put on a show that people will remember for years to come. If you want to see the Douglas Photographic Society's exhibition, the show is still on till Sunday the 21st of May. There is a link in the description for more information on the Douglas Photographic Society and the exhibition. I would also like to just say thank you to the club members that have contributed both footage and still images to help me make this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye bye.